Welcome to an in-depth explanation of the intriguing world of embroidery digital design formats. Let's take a closer look at the PEM file format and its unique place in the history of embroidery software. In the flourishing days of the embroidery industry during the 1990s and extending into the early 2000s, Penelope emerged as a beloved embroidery software program. This program was the brainchild of Wilcom, an innovative Australian company with a specialization in creating advanced software and hardware solutions for embroidery. The PEM file format was birthed out of a need to efficiently store intricate embroidery designs crafted within the Penelope software ecosystem. This specific format was ingeniously engineered to align with the widely accepted Microsoft Windows file configuration. To ensure the designs occupied minimal storage space without sacrificing quality, a proprietary compression algorithm was key to the PEM file's design. Diving into the technical aspects, the PEM file encapsulates design data in binary code, a meticulous arrangement of ones and zeros that convey precise instructions when decoded by the software. This form of data representation is not only a space saver, but also significantly enhances the process of loading and saving designs, promoting a more streamlined workflow for designers and users alike. Now, let's talk about the standout capability of the PEM file format. It can conveniently condense multiple embroidery designs into a singular file. Imagine the ease and organization this brings to designers who work on various projects. Plus, the PEM format thoughtfully provides a section to include design notes and ancillary information, which is crucial for managing design iterations or recording specialized instructions for later use. As the digital landscape evolved and new software came to the forefront, the PEM file format experienced a gradual decrease in use. The software Penelope itself became overshadowed by its modern counterparts, each introducing their own distinct file formats. In the realm of embroidery today, the DST format holds the crown. This format was introduced by Tajima, the Japanese authority in embroidery machinery and software. Celebrated for its compatibility, the DST format is the go-to choice for numerous embroidery machine producers and is supported across a diverse array of software. Despite the decline in its prevalence, the PEM file format holds a cherished spot among embroidery aficionados who are drawn to its utility and nostalgia. There is a wealth of beautiful designs still archived in PEM files, designs that are not replicated in newer formats. Additionally, there's a small yet dedicated section of the design community that stands by the PEM format for its multi-design storage feature. For those looking to work with this vintage format, specialized embroidery software capable of interpreting and converting PEM files is a must. Although the options are dwindling, dedicated software programs that support the PEM format are still out there, serving as vital tools for the traditionally inclined designer. To summarize, the PEM file format is an emblematic piece of the computerized embroidery industry's storied past. Tailor-made for Penelope software, this format offered embroidery designers a suite of innovative features, not least of which was the ability to consolidate multiple designs into one tidy package. Even as its heyday has passed, the PEM file format retains a nostalgic charm and usability that keeps it in the realm of relevance for dedicated users and fans of classic embroidery software. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.